Hurricanes are massive tropical storms that destroy houses with high winds, flooding, and debris. Because of their destructive nature, many people lose their homes due to the ruthlessness of a hurricane. Although they might be unstoppable, damage minimization is indeed possible. This led our group to decide to work on educating children about resiliency and house structure. We thought it was important because many communities are affected by hurricanes, especially on the East Coast. Educating children on how to create a safer home is always a good thing. So, we designed a project on house building and testing. With 2 scenarios that could occur during a hurricane, children are set out to build a house that they think is resilient against said scenarios. The first scenario is flooding, which is represented by the rolling of marbles. The second scenario is flying debris, which is represented by the firing of a Nerf blaster at the house. The kids first press any button to start. Then, they press the red button to see which scenario they get. They then build the house, and then press the green button to initiate the scenario. Afterwards, the children are to determine whether or not their house survived. Obviously, this house did not. And then they have the option to run it through with the second scenario. Integrated with MATLAB, we use 2 servo motors to control the marble gate and the rising of the Nerf blaster. However, our pride and joy lay in the flashing buttons, which did intricate patterns to attract visitors. In the end, the kids learned how to make a more resilient house to withstand the forces of a hurricane, while also engaging in the fun and interactive demonstration of how their house would stand up to a hurricane. With this knowledge, perhaps they can even design their own house someday.